I woke up in the morning and had breakfast and then went to some place where I had an appointment. While I was waiting, at around 10:37 or 10:38, I just began to experience tremors, which was quite vociferous, and the objects that were in front of me were shaking as if I was in a swiftly moving train. As the building was old, nearly 2 decades or 3 decades old, it shook. It shook as if it's about to collapse or something, the building. Everyone uh, in that premises have gone out, waiting until it stopped, and then we returned to where we were supposed to be. Yeah, and I heard that a couple of people from other cities have died from this earthquake. I don't know what is going to happen next. Can anyone tell me whether it's going to continue forever or not? And if you think it was wrong, tell me why it was wrong. I'll be happy to hear it from you guys.